Namaste yogis. So today's video is for those who have some anxiety, stress related issue and who work a lot. Today we will try to balance our nervous system. At the same time we will do some practices which can really heal your body. तो हमारा आज का वीडियो उन लोगों के काम आएगा जो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड आउट रहते हैं, जिनको एंजाइटी की दिक्कत है, जिनको नींद ठीक से नहीं आती है, दोज हु हैव स्लीप इश्यूज एंड दोज हु डू अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क। अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा काम करते हैं और अगर आपको स्लीप के इश्यू नहीं है, स्ट्रेस के इश्यू नहीं है, एंजाइटी के इश्यू नहीं है, तो भी आपको ये वीडियो प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए। तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगी कि 2 मिनट आप शवासन में लेटे रिलैक्स करके और फिर मेरा जो ये वीडियो है इसके साथ शुरू करें। वी विल डू रेस्ट रिलैक्सेशन इन द एंड ऑल्सो, लेकिन आपको 2 मिनट का रेस्ट शुरू में करके भी आना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बहुत ही आराम से आपको बैठना है। टेक 1 पिलो अंडर योर हिप्स। बैठने में ज्यादा दिक्कत है तो वॉल की सहायता से, दीवार की सहायता से बैठें। लॉजिक उसका ये है कि एक तो आपकी स्पाइन सीधी रहनी चाहिए और दूसरा आपकी जो बॉडी है वो रिलैक्स रहनी चाहिए। राइट, कीप योर बॉडी रिलैक्स। आपको बस स्पाइन अपनी स्ट्रेट रखनी है और बाकी पूरा शरीर रिलैक्स रखना है। कीप योर शोल्डर्स रिलैक्स, फेस मसल्स रिलैक्स, देयर शुड बी नो स्ट्रेन ऑन योर आईज, आईब्रोज रिलैक्स। बिल्कुल काम तरीके से जस्ट सिट डाउन विद मी एंड प्रिपेयर योर माइंड फॉर अ गुड हीलिंग एंड रिलैक्सेशन। आज इस एनवायरनमेंट में मेरे साथ बहुत अच्छी ऊर्जा आपके साथ जुड़ रही है। अ वेरी गुड एनर्जी इज गोइंग टू कनेक्ट विद यू। सो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट योरसेल्फ, योर रियल पीस, योर रियल नेचर विद मी। क्लोज योर आईज जेंटली। जस्ट ऑब्जर्व your presence for the next 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale gently. Exhale gently. Very gentle breaths. Do not apply any technique on your breathing. Inhale gently. Exhale gently. Try to do the breathing with your belly. Loose the belly and let the chest expand and try to take a full breath in. Slowly and full breath out. Full breath in, belly expand, let the chest open. Inhale fully, feel the breath into your belly. And then slowly exhale, your belly will move in and you will exhale completely. Align the movement of your belly with the breathing. As you inhale, your belly will go out. As you exhale, your belly will go in. Let's do the same thing with my counts. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly 5, 4, 3. Belly goes in 2, 1. Push the remaining breath out. A very gentle push. Again the same process. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more breath. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Feel the rising breath. 4, 5. Exhale from the belly. 1, 2, 3, 4 and completely breath out. Keep your eyes closed and again feel your own presence. Without making any judgments, without any thoughts, just अगर आप बैठे हैं तो बैठने में आपको कैसा लगता है बैठे हुए, कुछ ना करें अगर, what do you feel, how is your presence, how you will connect with yourself. Just feel your presence for 10 seconds. Gradually we will do all the practices. You will get to know, get to learn all the practices which can really help you in the healing. Inhale, take a deep breath, exhale, breath out. Now inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth, just like you blow the candle. You can do it fast too or you can do it slow too, according to your personality, whatever you like. Exhalation have the healing capacity. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Do it with me everyone. Just do not watch only. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let it go with the exhalation. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Always keep your shoulder relaxed. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. 2 more. Inhale through the nose. Roll your lips and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Roll your lips and exhale completely. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. The last breath, exhale through the mouth. Relax here, everyone, and just witness your presence for 10 seconds. How do you feel after this breathing? Try to feel that part. Now we will chant Om for 11 times, and Om chanting will really calms down your mind. आपका मन पूरी तरीके से शांत कर देगा और it will prepares you for the upcoming practices, all the balancing practices we will do in the video. So let's inhale, and as you exhale you are going to chant with me. Those who chant daily, they can start with me. Those who don't chant, just listen me for 2 times and then do it. Let's start it. Inhale. Inhale again, second time. Third time, inhale. Fourth time, inhale. Fifth time, inhale. Sixth time, inhale. Feel the vibration within your brain and body. Seventh time, inhale. Eighth time, inhale. Feel the transition between A, U and Ma. Ninth time, inhale. Tenth time, inhale. 11th and the last. just to witness your presence. Feel the effect of nada in your brain, on your brain and body. चैंटिंग के क्या इंस्टेंट प्रभाव आप पर पड़ते हैं महसूस कीजिए. Take a long deep breath if it comes. Promote the deep breathing always. Now we will do the Nadi Shodhana, and not the Nadi Shodhana exactly, the very one technique of Nadi Shodhana which we call Anulom Vilom. नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम की टेक्निक नंबर 3 अनुलोम विलोम हम करेंगे. व्हाट इट डज, क्या करती है आपके शरीर में, ये तीनों दोषों को बैलेंस करती है. बहुत लोगों को एंजाइटी, स्ट्रेस, रेस्टलेसनेस इसलिए होती है कि शरीर में वायु बहुत ज्यादा है, वाता इम्बैलेंस है. कई लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा रेस्टलेसनेस इसलिए होती है कि शरीर में सूर्य नाड़ी का प्रभाव ज्यादा है, तो माइंड ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्टिवेट रहता है, शांत नहीं हो पाता है, हीलिंग एनर्जी शरीर में कम रहती है. We will balance all the 3 doshas with the Nadi Shodhana, Anulom Vilom, and these 2 energies, sun and moon, with this Nadi Shodhana. It can be done up to 10 minutes, minimum 12 rounds, 10 to 12 rounds we will do here, which is very minimum. So try to do it properly because we are going to do very less number of rounds. So let's prepare yourself. Make the mudra for the Anulom Vilom, which is Nasikagra mudra, holding your index and middle finger. So these 2 fingers will go in, and you will place your thumb on the right nostril. Keep the other hand on the knee, either in the Gyan Mudra. Now gently inhale with your left nostril. Exhale with your right nostril. Inhale with your right nostril. Exhale with your left nostril. Keep going with the instructions. Take the speed as I am instructing you. Not too fast, not too slow. We are doing Madhyam Gati Anulom Vilom. Inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Now inhale through the right and exhale through the left. Inhale through the left again. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. And exhale through the left. Try to establish connection with your breathing. Inhale through the left. Third cycle, exhale through the right. Keep doing it. Feel the breath. Inhale through the right. Exhale via left. Fourth cycle, inhale via left. Exhale via right. Inhale right. And left exhale. Fifth cycle, inhale left, full breath in. Right exhale, full breath out. Right inhale, full breath in. Left exhale, पूरी श्वास बाहर, full breath out. Next round, inhale left. Keep doing it. Create a rhythm. Exhale right. Inhale right. And exhale left. Inhale left. Keep doing it. 7th round. Exhale right. Let's slow down a little bit. थोड़ा सा धीमा कर दे में श्वास को अपनी. Inhale right. And exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Keep your eyes closed, spine straight, head and neck aligned. Exhale left. Keep doing it. Inhale left. exhale right, 9 cycle. Inhale right, inhale left, 10 cycle. Exhale left, inhale left, 10 cycle. Exhale right, inhale right, exhale left, and slowly bring your arms down and just witness the presence or the observation. Feel the flow of air in your both the nostril. Stay seated, stay calm. This pranayama can be done before 2 hours of your breathing. If you are going to sleep by 10 am, you can do it at 8 pm. So do not do it just before sleeping. Try to do it at least 1.5 hours before the sleeping, because our breathing nostril has the 90-minute cycle. So we are not going to disturb the last cycle. We are just balancing the energies without interrupting the circadian rhythm. Now let's do our second last pranayama for today, which is Samvriti Pranayam. So if your mind is too distracted, मन बहुत ज़्यादा इधर उधर भागता है, कोई दिशा नहीं है मन को, तो आपको ये प्राणायाम करना है. It will really make your mind directed. एक डायरेक्शन में आपको माइंड को ला देगा. And you will feel it when you will do it. Okay? So let's do it. We will do only 7 rounds. You can do more rounds. Voluntary if you want to do that. I am doing this just a short practice and for the introduction. Okay, so remember one more thing. We are going to inhale, exhale and holding all in one ratio, let's say 5 seconds. So for holding, my counts will be in opposite direction, like 5 to 1. So if you may lose the route or the cycle, try not to lose first. अगर बीच में cycle टूट जाता है तो through the count you can come back, recognize where we are. Okay, and you can realign the cycle, but try to do it in one go. Let's sit down, straight arms, spine straight. Take a long deep breath, inhale, exhale, and gently start inhaling with your both the nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding their breath inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to create the rhythm. Breath out completely. 5. Hold the breath outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and completely exhale. Holding the breath outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2. Feel the rising breath. 3, 4, 5, and holding the breath inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holding the breath outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1. Only 3 more rounds we will do. 3, 4, 5. Holding the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second last. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, stay silent for 10 seconds minimum. Take a long deep breath, inhale, exhale. Now we will do Bhramari Pranayam for 5 times, which is our last practice. After that, you can rest in Shavasana simply. So, close your ears, cover your eyes, and you will inhale. You will keep your tongue in contact with your upper mouth cavity. जो जीभ है आपकी, इसको तालू से लगा के रखेंगे. श्वास लेंगे और छोड़ते समय आपको म का उच्चारण करना है. देखेंगे पहले और फिर करेंगे. Keep doing it with me 5 times. Inhale again. Come back, now lie down gently, and you can play any music in your phone and just relax for the next few minutes, at least 3 to 4 minutes minimum. We are playing the music also for you. You can rest with that too. You can also choose your preferable music too. So just lie down comfortably on your mat in the Shavasana, keeping your hands slightly away from the body and legs apart. Relax your complete body from toe to head. Loose all the fingers, all the muscles, all the joints. Especially relax your face muscles, shoulders, hips, thighs, glutes, knees and ankles. Just feel your body weight and release all the weight on the ground. Shavasana, shav ke saman, just like a dead body, no control over the body. Just lose it, leave your body for few minutes. I will see you in the next video. Keep resting. If you got to sleep, take a nap. and come back. Namaskaram, Hari Om, Namah Shivaya.